You are going to love the 2024 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rack, perimeter alarm, backup camera, heads-up display, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, first aid kit, cargo net, cargo tray, tinted glass. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.